Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on app notifications on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the Me icon down below, which is the last option. After that, click on the settings icon at the top, which is the third option. Now scroll down till you find the contact preferences section and click on it. Here you can make changes in setting notifications by clicking on this first icon, thereby being directed to your phone's settings, where you should allow SHEIN to access your notifications. So click on notifications. Now it is turned on. So if you go back, you can see that the new message notification function is turned on. You can also select this second option, meaning that you will receive newsletters and exclusive style tips from SHEIN via email. So click on it. And then you should type in your email address, and then after that click on the send button, and then a verification code will be sent to your email address that you need to type into this box in 1 minute, thereby turning on this function. The third option is the SMS notification, meaning that you are going to receive a newsletter and style tips via SMS, and you can also do the same via WhatsApp by clicking on the binned option or a button, and then you should type in your WhatsApp phone number, and then a verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp account, and you need to type in that certain combination here, and after that you will be able to turn on this function. As you can see, you can also select the in-app reminders by clicking on this last option, so you can get notifications about discount coupons and point expiration reminder messages as well. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.